Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we're going to show you how to use this trap step by step. If you like the video, visit our website for more information, or send us an email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Flies are huge nuisances, both solitary and as a swarm. If you're looking for an easy, non-toxic product to control a fly infestation, then check out the Musca-Stik. Musca-Stiks are insecticide-free, odor-free, indoor and outdoor sticky fly traps that attract flies. The orange paper attracts the flies visually, while the powerful fly pheromones lure unsuspecting flies straight to the trap where they can't escape. Musca-Stiks are available in two sizes, the 24-inch Musca-Stik and the 12-inch Musca-Stik Junior. Musca-Stiks come ready to use and require no additional tools for setup or installation. To set up your Musca-Stik, open the packet and pour the granules into the bottom plastic end cap. Use the hook to hang the Musca-Stik in a room where flies have been active, or place it on a flat, stable surface out of the reach of children or pets. Over time, any flies in the area will detect the attractant and land on the trap, becoming stuck and unable to remove themselves. Throw the product away when about 80% of the surface is covered in insects. Hang the Musca-Stik or place it on a flat surface. Use this product to control flies in kitchens, food prep areas, outdoor patios, or around dumpster areas and any other place where flies may gather. Musca-Stiks should be used anytime flies are frequenting an area or in food prep areas where flies will congregate. You can also set up this product in anticipation of a fly infestation. Musca-Stiks are safe to use around children and pets when applied according to the product label directions. The surface of the trap is sticky, but not poisonous. If any children or pets become stuck, use cooking oil to loosen the trap's stickiness. This product comes in two sizes, regular and junior. We recommend the larger Musca-Stik for bigger control situations. Musca-Stiks will provide non-toxic, long-lasting control of flies in both indoor and outdoor areas. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. To get rid of most fly infestations, clean away any sources of filth the flies are attracted to, and apply an insecticide and insect growth regulator to kill any adult flies and prevent their larvae from developing.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. After watching this video, should you have questions, you can email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.